Hello, this is the lecture number 7 for the chapter differential equation of class 12th, and we're discussing the last lecture, the exercise 9.5. We have discussed the homogeneous differential equation, and we have done up to question number 3 there. Now in question number 4, it is x square minus y square dx is plus 2xy dy equal to 0. Now you have to prove that it is a homogeneous differential equation. So you know it, how you have to prove it. You put in place of x as x lambda and y as y lambda and prove that it is a homogeneous differential equation. We have done in question number 1, 2 and 3. So I'm solving it. D by dx will be equal to, you take this to the right hand side, it will be x square minus y square upon minus cut 2xy. So you can simplify it by changing its sign in the numerator and removing minus from the denominator. This. Now you have to let, because it is a homogeneous differential equation, the degree of each term is 2, 2 and 2, so it is a homogeneous and you know how to prove it. Let y is equal to vx, and you know that dy dx will be equal to v plus x dv upon dx. Now replace it here. It will be rather from here it will be v plus x dv upon dx is equal to y is equal to vx v square x square minus x square upon 2x vx, and the x is always cancelled out in the right hand side, so it will be v square minus 1 upon 2v. This is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. You know that. After that you have to take v to the other side. dv upon dx will be equal to x dv upon dx will be equal to v square minus 1 upon 2v minus v. So x dv upon dx is equal to v square minus 1 minus 2v square upon 2v. So it is x dv upon dx is equal to I am getting here as minus 1 minus v square upon 2v. Now you can separate it. 2v, it will be separable variable, that is with dv it will be all terms containing v, and with dx all terms containing x. So I have taken this 2v upon this with dv and dx upon x with x. Now you have to integrate it by taking integration on both sides. It is a question number 4. So after separating it, you are getting this as, and if you remove this, you can take the minus sign here like this. It will become 1 plus v square. Now you can integrate it. It will be minus of log x, and you can integrate this by letting this as t, and the derivative will be 2b. It will be cancelled out and you will get the integration as 1 plus b square. And when all the terms are in log, so you can take the constant also in terms of log c. So you can simplify by taking using the properties of the log. You can simplify it. It will be 1 plus v square plus log x is equal to log c. I have taken this to the right hand side. In plus it will be get multiplied log c, and constant will be cancelled out. Log cancelled out, so x 1 plus v square is equal to c. Now you can simply replace the value of v, which is y upon x. Y upon x equal to c. So ये भी थोड़ा बहुत ठीक ठाक ही क्वेश्चन था, and using the differential equation, homogeneous differential equation. So this is the question number 4. In this homogeneous differential equation, sometimes the integration become very lengthy, so you have to be very careful. Now in question number 5, it is we have x square dy upon dx is equal to x square minus 2y square plus x into y. Now you have to prove that it is a homogeneous equation. So as usual, d by dx is equal to, it will be x square minus 2y square plus xy upon x. You have to replace and in place of x as x lambda and y as y lambda, and it will be equal to d by dx only. Now here I am solving it because the degree of each term is 2, degree of x square is 2, it is 2, it is 2, and it is 2. So by this also I can say that it is a linear different, it is a homogeneous equation. So what you have to let y is equal to vx always. So d by dx is equal to, it will be v plus x dv upon dx. Replace it here. So v plus x dv upon dx is equal to x square minus 2 v square x square plus x square into v. In place of y you have to replace vx and x square, and x square will be cancelled out here by taking x square common. So 2v square plus v, this is, and take v to the right hand side. So somewhat getting somewhat easy thing we are getting here. So it will be dv upon 1 minus 2v square is equal to dx upon x. Somewhat easy integration we are getting. We are getting this as, and taking integration of this, it is log of mod x, and it is a special integral in which you can take 1 upon 2 common, and in place of 1 upon 2 you can write 1 upon root 2 ka whole square. So it is a special integral of 1 upon under root a square minus x square, which is equal to 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x, log of mod x plus c. Now you have to simplify as far as possible. This will be 1 upon 2 root 2, 1 upon 2 root 2. You can take the LCM as 1 plus v root 2 upon 1 minus v root 2, and replace the value of v, which is y upon x, where y upon x. So this is the question number 5 of this exercise 9.5. Question number 6. It is x dy minus y dx is equal to under root x square plus y square. Now what is the problem in this question? That we have 2 dx in this equation. So first of all you arrange it as dy dx, and then you have to prove that it is a homogeneous differential equation. So like this I have done, dx common, x dy, so dy upon dx is equal to y plus under root x square plus y square upon x. Now you can easily prove that it is a homogeneous differential equation, because in place of y if you replace lambda y, and in place of x when you replace lambda x, and it will be equal to the original differential equation, or lambda to the power n fxy. Now directly you can easily say that it is a homogeneous differential equation, but because the degree of each term here is 1, the degree of y is 1, the degree of x is 1, the degree of under root x square is 1, and the degree of y square under root y square is also 1. So as usual you replace y is equal to vx, and dy dx is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. Replace it here. V plus x dv upon dx is equal to vx plus under root x square plus v square x square upon x. Now when you take x square common from the square root, it will be x here. When you take x common, this x will be cancelled out. I am getting as under root this. So not a very difficult integration I am getting it here. It will be cancelled out. and dv upon under root 1 plus v square is equal to dx upon x. So this is a special integral of 1 upon under root a square plus x square, which is equal to log x plus under root 1 plus x square. In place of x we have v, and this is the integration of 1 upon x is log x, and because all the terms are in constants, log, so you can take the constant is also log c. Now using the property of the log, it will be log x into x. This x will be cancelled out, log will be cancelled out, and you are getting this as this. In place of plus sign, log will be x into c, and log cancelled, and put the value of y as v as y upon x. So you are getting this as the solution of this differential equation. So somewhere you will get a long integration which will consume a lot of time, so be very specific. Now in question number 7, it is looking very big question, but after putting y is equal to vx, you will get a simple integration if you see it very carefully. So I am converting it into homogeneous equation, y sine y upon x minus x cos y upon x into x dy. So this is the equation. First of all, I'll prove that it is a homogeneous differential equation. So dy upon dx will be dy upon dx will be this upon this. It will be cos x cos y upon x, y sine y upon x into y upon dy upon dx, this upon this, y sine y upon x minus x cos y upon x into x. Now I am saying that it is a homogeneous differential equation because the degree of here each term is 2. X into y, that is degree 2, y into y, that is y square degree 2, y into x, that is degree 2, x into x, that is degree 2. So it is homogeneous. Rather you can prove it that it is a homogeneous if we replace in place of x as x lambda, in place of y lambda. So as usual, you let y is equal to vx, and the value of this will be v plus x dv upon dx. So it will be v plus x dv upon dx. Be very careful. So x y upon x will be v plus vx and sine v upon vx sine v minus x cos v, and this y upon x is v. Y upon x is v. Now you take to v to the right hand side, it will be, now in this x will be cancelled out, so cos v plus v sine v upon v sine v minus cos v minus v. Taking the LCM, it is v cos v plus v square sine v minus v square sine v minus, but rather it will be plus v cos v upon the denominator. Integration will become somewhat easy. Here the arrangement is somewhat difficult. So this will be cancelled out. You are getting as 2v cos v upon v sine v minus cos v. So now you can arrange it by cross multiplying it. So dv will be v sine v minus cos u upon 2v cos v dv is equal to dx upon x. Cross multiply, collecting the terms containing dv and v and dx and x, and taking integration on both sides. Now this is the integration of log x. Now see it very carefully, it is not very difficult question. If you let this as t, its derivative will be the numerator itself. It will be cancelled out. See it very carefully. The derivative of this will be the numerator. Derivative of this will be cos v minus v sin v. So it you will get minus ka half log v cos v. And when all the terms are in terms of log, then you can put the constant in the log itself. If you are unable to do it this integration directly, you can let v cos v as t. When you replace the value of dv, all the terms will be cancelled out. You will get only 1 upon t minus ka half 1 upon t. And the integration of 1 upon t is log t, where t is v cos v. Now you can use the properties of the log. Its power is minus half log x into c. This log will be cancelled out. Now you can replace the value of v as y upon x everywhere where we have the. So this is the question number 7, which is looking very lengthy. Okay, we'll discuss in the next lecture, or we continue in the next lecture. Thank you.